Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Amazing K and today is September 13th and we are going to celebrate. Today is National Positive Thinking Day. Yay! It's also National Kids Take Over the Kitchen Day. Yay! So let's talk about Amazing Power of Thinking Day. This is a wonderful day to think positive. Positive thinking is something that's going to help you build your self-esteem. It just helps you to be a better person because you can think your way into doing whatever it is that you want to do or whatever it is that you want to be. There's millions and millions of books written about positive thinking and how it can change your life. Well, there's one famous book that's been around since 1953, The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. Now this book has been written and rewritten and revised all the way from 1953 to 2019. I think it was the latest edition. And it is really an awesome book. I've read it over and over. It's kind of the way I just live my life. I always think positive. Because what's the alternative? Thinking negative? We don't want to think negative. Negative thinking will get you nowhere. Positive thinking will get you everywhere. And people just need to be more positive in this world. And positive thinking today is a wonderful thing to do. So let's think positively. There's another book also by Weeks Parker called The Amazing Power of Positive Thinking, because it is so wonderful to think positive. If you look up, it's healthy. It'll help you to be more of a better person to be around. You'll love yourself. You have more self-esteem. You can do whatever it is that you want to do if you think positive. You think about Think and Grow Rich, the book, that book by Napoleon Hill, and also Think and Grow Rich, The Black Choice. It's filled with stories of people that have pulled themselves up from their bootstraps just by thinking positively. Let's do it, guys. Let's think positively on this day of the power of positive thinking. Okay? What's your positive thought for today? Say affirmations. I was just talking to some of my team members this morning about saying affirmations. When you say it, you think it, and you believe it. That's Bible, that's scripture too. We want to make sure that we're doing what we need to do to be positive. And let's have a positive world. Doesn't it make sense to have a positive world? Don't you want a positive world? Well, take advantage of today and think positive. Whenever you have a negative thought, replace it with a positive one. And stay away from negative people. Those negative Nancy's and their negative Neds, you don't need them. If you can't bring positivity to someone, then you need to walk away. All right, so listen. The next thing we're going to talk about is National Kids Take Over the Kitchen Day. Now, this is an awesome day. Kids take over the kitchen. Kids can learn so much in the kitchen. Kids love to cook. My background is early childhood education. In the Head Start, we used to cook with the kids all the time. They used to make their own snacks. Yesterday was Ants on the Log Day, National Ants on the Log Day, with the cream cheese or the peanut butter and the celery and the raisins. Those are some easy things that kids can do. So get kids in the kitchen because they can learn so much. Oh my God, they can learn science, cause and effect, the chemical reactions of ingredients. They can learn math, measurement, and all of that stuff. They can learn reading. They have to read recipes and safety. They can learn safety, and better, they can also learn about nutrition. What's good for you, what's not good for you, what's good for your body, what's healthy, what's not healthy. Get the kids in the kitchen. Today is Kids Take Over the Kitchen Day. So let them help you with a meal. Help them make a meal. I want to give a tribute to my niece, my second oldest niece, Arnetta K. Blackman. Well, that's not her name. Her name is Arnetta K. Well, her maiden name is Arnetta K. Blackman, but she's been married for a long time now, so it's A.K. Parker. That's her pen name because she's also an author. We talked about her when we talked about books. A.K. Parker is not only an author, a mom, a wife, a daughter, a niece, a sister. She's also a famous chef. And what she does is that she gives cooking classes to children online, on Zoom. Yeah, it's awesome. And look, she does it. Sometimes she charges, sometimes they're for free. You could just catch it, but listen. Here's her information. Go on there. She'll send you the ingredients ahead of time. Go to the store. You and your kids can cook in the kitchen. My granddaughter has done it before. She loves it. So we haven't done it lately because life and life gets busy. But yes, look it up. It's called Sugar Mama's Cooking with Sugar Mama, Baking with Sugar Mama, and this is Sugar Mama, and it's going to be wonderful. So the next one coming up, contact her and find out. But yes, do this and find out how you can help kids become better self-esteem. If they're cooking and they make something like, look what I made. Look how happy they are when they make something, and that will help kids to be better. That show was on. I think it still comes on, Master Chef with Gordon Ramsay. Well, he has the Master Junior Chef. Now, I'm not a big fan of kids competing because I watched the show season 3 because there was a young lady, a girl, 10-year-old Micah Sanders, who was the daughter of our local comedian in Detroit, Michigan, Horace P. Sanders. And she was 10 years old. She loved cooking. She should love cooking. If you love it, you shouldn't have to compete against it. And she got booted off the show and she was crying, and that just broke my heart. So I stopped watching the show. But yeah, if you want to see kids in the kitchen, you can watch that show, Master Junior Chef on Fox. I think it still comes on. Okay, there's another one the Food Network has called Kids Baking Championship. But anyway, today is Kids Take Over the Kitchen Day. So let your kid come in the kitchen and help you make something or assist them make something, okay? So that is our days. We've got Amazing Power of Thinking Day, Positive Thinking Day, and Kids Take Over the Kitchen Day. And also, we still have the contest going on. I'm still giving away trips. If you subscribe and get others to subscribe, let's get our numbers up. Let's comment. Let me know what you're doing, what you think about the show. What do you think about kids cooking or positive thinking today? Or go back and look at some of the other episodes and make comments on those, because we're giving away trips to people who subscribe, and your name goes in the drawing. And I have lots of trips to give away because I'm a travel business owner. I own travel business and I help other people to own travel businesses too. So if you want to do that, contact me too, because I'm telling you, there's a lot of money in travel. It's an $8 trillion industry. And I show people how they can get paid on the money side of that industry, okay? So today, September 13th, be bold, be blessed, be you. And when I say you, I mean your original uniqueness, because everybody's unique and everybody can celebrate every day, because every day there's something to celebrate. All right, I'm Karen K. Rush, and I approve this message. Bye-bye.